In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook feed to your Squarespace website. This is a great way to keep your visitors engaged with the latest updates from your Facebook page, seamlessly integrating your social media presence with your website's design. So, let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Common Ninja website. Common Ninja is a fantastic platform that provides a range of widgets to enhance your website functionalities. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Widgets Plus. This section is a hub for all sorts of widgets that can be used to amplify the functionality of your site. In the search bar, type in Facebook feeds. This will filter the results and bring up the specific widget you need. Within the search results, click on Facebook feed. This widget will allow you to display your Facebook content directly on your Squarespace page. After selecting the Facebook feed widget, click on Create Facebook feed. This step begins the customization process for your feed. Once it's set up, you'll see an option to Publish. This makes your feed ready to be shared with your audience. Then, make sure to click Save Widget. This will keep all the settings and configurations intact. You'll have the choice to organize by choosing a folder to save this widget. This step is helpful for keeping your widgets and files well organized within the Common Ninja platform. Once done, don't forget to choose Save Changes. It's important to make sure all your preferences are stored safely. Now, we move on to copying the code. After making and saving all the changes, copy the code provided. This code is necessary as it will be embedded into your Squarespace to display your Facebook feed. On your Squarespace admin panel, navigate to the page where you want the Facebook feed to appear and click on Add Block. From the options that pop up, select Embed. This allows you to place external content onto your page. Next, click on Edit, followed by Code Snippet. Add your previously copied code into the given area. This is essentially where you are embedding your Facebook feed into your Squarespace website. After pasting the code, select Embed Data. This ensures that the code is successfully integrated into the page and that your feed will display properly. Finally, be sure to hit the Save button. This saves all the changes you have made and ensures that your Facebook feed is now live on your Squarespace site. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your Facebook feed into your Squarespace website. This integration not only helps in keeping your website updated with real-time social media content, but also enhances engagement by keeping your visitors connected. Thanks for watching, and happy website enhancing!